Hey there, so imagine you buy a new hard drive, only to discover it might be a fake. Frustrating, right? The drive doesn't mount when you plug it in, and the label looks suspicious. What a problem. Now here comes the solution. By using terminal commands, you can determine if the hard drive is usable. The key commands to run are system_profiler sp sb data type, system_profiler sp serial ATA data type, and system_profiler sp storage data type. These commands will provide detailed information about the drive's hardware and connectivity. Remember, solution is at hand. To wrap it all up, carefully examine the hard drive's circuit board to distinguish between genuine storage components and possible counterfeit parts. Pay close attention to the label and branding, as discrepancies may indicate a fake product. Additionally, using the terminal commands mentioned earlier can further confirm the drive's authenticity. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to solving the mystery of your hard drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay tech savvy, my friends.